Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Logger Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 29 Graphical Representation of Data exercise 29B question number 5. Okay, this question is, we have got the histogram and we have to study the histogram, right? For the histogram shown alongside and then answer these few questions, right? Look, what is the total number of students over whom our study has been conducted? Okay, so you can see this histogram, it is showing us what? It is showing us the now see here, this histogram is showing us the number of students and the hours of study. That means the how many hours how many students study. Like 0 to 3 hours there are 10 students who study 0 to 3 hours. Then 3 to 6 hours there are 25 students, right? 6 to 9 10, and 9 to 12 5 students, and then 12 to 15 you can see it's just one, right? Because you can see it is only 2 blocks. Yes, it is only 2 blocks, right? And 1 centimeter is representing 5 units, so 2 small blocks will mean 1 unit. Yes, so what will be the total number of students? See here this will be 10, clear, fine, and here this will be 25. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, this will be 15. Yes or no? This will be 5. Yes or no? And this will be 1. You can see it just by telling, right, that first of all this is 10, that is pretty easy. This is 25, that is also pretty easy. This is 15, is very easy. This is 5, very easy. And this 1, if you look closely, you will observe that actually there are 2 blocks in this thing, right? If you see it here, something like this, right? So you can see that 2 blocks are representing 1 unit here on the 1, right? So you can see 2 small blocks, right? Okay, now see here in this question, now the next part of this one, it says what is the total number of students over whom our study has been conducted. So you add this 10 plus 25, 35, 35 plus 15, which is 50, 50 plus 5, 55, 55 plus 1, 56. So total number of students over whom the study has been conducted is 56 students, right? Then which time interval has the maximum number of students studying? You can pretty clearly see 3 to 6 hours has the maximum number of students studying, 25. Yes, 3 to 6 hours every day, right? All the other bars are smaller and 3 to 6 has 25. So you can write down the time interval 3 to 6 hours has the maximum number of students studying. Okay, and then which time interval has the minimum? So very easy, you can see 12 to 15 hours. Yes, only one child is studying 12 to 15 hours. Okay, so this is the minimum number of students that are present in the time interval. So that time interval is 12 to 15. Okay, how many times is the number of students in time interval 3 to 6 hours greater than the number of students in time interval 9 to 12 hours, right? Now you can see this is what you have. Yes, how many times is the number of students in time interval 3 to 6 hours? 3 to 6 hours, how many students are there? 25. Okay, 25 students in 3 to 6 hours, and greater than the number of students in time interval 9 to 12 hours. 9 to 12 hours has 5. So how many times, whenever it is asked, you can see how many times it is asked, right? Then you always divide. What do you divide? Whatever is given first, that is a student studying in interval 3 to 6 hours, that is 25 students. You divide this by what is given after, that is the students studying in time interval 9 to 12 hours, that is 5. This will give you how many times it is greater than that, right? This is 5 times, right? 5 times the number of students studying in 3 to 6 hours is greater than the number of students studying in the time interval 9 to 12 hours, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.